I did the yards once a week for about 2 months, and I started having a problem in that the cord was sucked down in. So it's wound up down under here and stuck. Incredibly difficult to get out. So let's take this apart and see what's going on with it. Well, here's what it looks like. As you can see, that's down around the shaft. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare getting that off. So my goal is to get this out. That's pretty tangled up. Tied in a bit of a knot. Oh, there we go. I got all of this out of there. Very difficult. It was intertwined with an inner layer over an outer layer. So I just took a screwdriver and kept digging in there, and some I could clip with these and make them shorter, and that helped me pull them out. Seems to still be working. I went into this. The only real parts in here are this release to allow you to pull string out. I'm still not sure how the Auto Advance had a problem. I'll put this back together and we'll load a new reel and just take it outside and see what we can do with it. But it seems to be in good shape. There's a little bit of rust on this, but that's kind of normal. Let's see, I'm thinking this was what the motor was in the most. I'm not sure this is that critical. The other half just goes over it, kind of supports it, doesn't do much else. There, so if that can only go in that way, then this has to go in this way. Not to this, to be honest with you. Kind of simplistic design. At this point, I just need to line it up. This had to come off to allow these two parts to separate. Oh, no. This one's kind of a bitch to get off because it just has these little tabs holding it on, which means you got to pry them little tabs apart to get it on. That seemed easy. Now this is made to flex, so you can get it back on. We're just going to put it on roughly both sides, then we'll put it in the right place on both sides. There we go. Good evening, guys. So I cleaned the cord out from inside of this. That was a mess. I reloaded it, took it outside and used it. The whole backyard really didn't have a problem once I figured one thing out. There's nothing sharp here to cut anything. Not what you want. You want a cutter right there. So I have to figure out what I can do about that. But this is working right, and I think it's going to keep working right. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.